In this video, I'm going to show you how to add section headers in Qualtrics. Now, to add them, the most effective method is basically inserting a descriptive text question at the top of a block, okay? So let me show you how to do this. As you can see here, I have a few blocks. I have 1, 2, 3, and then 4 over here. So let me show you how I would add section headers. Now, there's no direct setting to actually put in section headers. It's not called that, but you can go and click on any of these and just go and add a new question. So I'm going to go to the first block here, go to the bottom and click on add new question, and then I'm just going to put in this one over here, which is basically called text or graphic. Okay, so this is just like some descriptive text. I'm going to click on this one, and then from here leave it on text and type in whatever you want. For example, I'm just going to type in section header 1 like this, just to show you. Of course, this could be whatever, and then just move this at the very top of your current box or current block. Okay, so at the top, there we go, we have the section header right now, and that's gonna act as a section header over here. So that's the first one. Then you want to go to block 2, and you want to do the exact same thing. So add a new question. I'm going to do text here, and I'm going to type in section header 2. Okay, of course, again, you can do this for however many things you want, however many blocks you want to have this in. And then whenever I go to the preview button, as you can see, it's going to give me kind of a section header. Okay, so as you can see, this is the section header 1. If I go and continue to the next page, this is section header 2, etc. Okay, so that's essentially the best way to do it inside Qualtrics. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.